Hadi şu oyuna geçelim bakalım ya. Flört yapabiliyor muyuz? Basic bir oyun arkadaşlar. Hepimizi çok saracak. Herkes zaten oynuyor bu oyunu. Gelin bakalım. Beraber üstün yeteneklerimize dayanarak kendimize kız arkadaş edinmeye çalışacağız. Hazır mısınız? Hazırsınızdır. Çok da şey değil. Hadi bakalım. 5 dates. Bildiğin oğlum görüntü başlattım oynamadım. Bekle Kürşat baştan başlat bana.
Göreyim abi söyle.
Yeni oyun diyoruz tamam.
Aynen.
Arkadaşlar sıkı tutunun. Sesi söyleyin asla açarız. Adımız Vini, yaşımız 23, boy 1.73. 1.73 erkek mi olur amına koyayım? Bu değişmiyor mu? Kürşat.
Yok abi değişmiyor onlar standart.
Konum da değilsin. Konum da yanlış zaten. Bir şey olmaz. Profil fotoğrafımızı seçiyoruz arkadaşlar. Hangisi ben olabilirim? Şu. Evet. Sektör yayıncıyız. Finans yaratıcı. Yaratıcı olur değil mi?
Yani yaratıcı
evet.
daha böyle.
İlgi alanım. Tinsellik mi?
Adam.
Tinsellik. Tabii canım ilgi. Ama seyahat, müzik ve yeme içme diyelim. Burcumuz Taşak, ikizler burcuyuz. Kaan abi askerdeyim, sen de olmasan zaman geçmiyor. Sağ ol güzel kardeşim benim, hayırlı tezkereler. Ses mesi iyi mi Çetinyo? Okuyabiliyorsunuz değil mi altyazıyı falan?
Kontrol ediyorum.
Senin o tarafa yazı pek fazla geleceğini sanmıyorum abi. Gelirse zaten
Ne?
senin kameranın olduğu tarafa yazı
Evet,
geleceğini
tamam.
sanmıyorum altyazı. Olursa da
Dur.
veririm.
Bir tık ses vereceğim buna sadece. Ben biraz oyuna konsantre olmam için. Şöyle.
Yeah, cool story. Is this why you woke me up?
No, it isn't.
Adam,
I actually have a
Adam.
surprise for you.
Oh, let's go.
I joined a dating app.
No way. Hey, this is huge, bro.
Hakan Altısoy nöbette ilaç gibi gidiyor Agam, iyi yayınlar. Eyvallah kral, teşekkürler.
I was all alone in the flat with nothing else to do, and I just thought, why not?
You know what? I'm hearing that digital dating is popular.
Dijital buluşmalar karantinada acayip revaçtaymış. İç görüntülü görüşme yaptın mı? Yok daha yeni kayıp. Onu niye çeviriyor? Okuyabiliyorsunuz zaten.
No joke. Your profile.
Pardon, Türkçe bildiğinizi unuttum.
Point, yeah? And then when you're looking at these girls' profiles, there's a few things you need to watch out for. You need to look at the angles that they're using to take the pictures and that, yeah? Because they're gonna deceive you.
Callum, I have talked to girls before. I do understand what I'm doing.
I've talked to girls before. Okay.
Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. It's got a notification. No way. It looks like I got beginner's luck.
Oh.
Aa başlıyor abi.
Oh, you sexy bastard, bruv. Yes. Yes.
I got some matches.
Alright, man. Let me know how it goes, bro. Peace.
Alright, cool, man. Alright.
Başlıyoruz arkadaşlar.
Senin seksi pezevenk seni.
Bastard pitch demek normalde de. Kürşat para istiyor, bu anasını siktim oyunu. Premium.
Winner'dan alıyor abi onu sen.
Ha aldı. Şimdi buradan 3 tane hanımefendi seç. Oo. Maya yaş 22. Güzel yaş. Boy 1.63. Kültür, sanat, müzik, parti. Terazi. Abi bu partici ya, bu aynen. Sevmeyiz böyle ama hanımefendi hoş bir hanımefendi. Grace yaş 27. Güzel yaş. Boy 1.65. Sektör diğer. Bak bu sektörü sıkıntı ama bunun. Şimdi diğer dediği ne acaba?
Ne alalım aynen.
Yani orada bir seyahat, yemek yok bu.
Adam.
Yok bunu atladık. Yaş 20. Aa bu kedi köpek yiyordur bağımına koyayım bak. Bu kedi bak bunda bir var abi. Bu kedi köpek yiyordur bu, ben size söyleyeyim. Bunlar satanist. Yaratıcı, tinsellik, kültür, sanat, hayırseverlik, hayvanseverlik, burç, taşak, başak. Tamam. Abi bu bizim alt komşu amına koyayım. Yok abla sen kal. Oo. Biji. Yaş 25. 1.73. Sektör diğer spor, fitness, seyahat, burç, aslan. Tamam. Bu üç ablayı seçtik. Kıtır Bahattin. Kral iyi ki varsın. Allah seni başımızdan eksik etmesin. Teşekkür ederim arkadaşlar. İyi ki siz de varsınız. Seçimleriniz için teşekkür ederiz. Görüntülü randevuların kabul edilmiş ve randevu tarihleri, detayları size aktaracağız. Hadi bakalım. Aktar.
Bu arada yayıncı modunu açtın mı abi?
Açtık.
Hı. Tamam.
Abi bana öyle bir geliyor ki biz en son bu Kalum'la baş başa kalacakmışız gibi ama Kalum da bırak sen. Drogba'ya benziyor biraz.
Oh, this guy's looking peng, bro. Tasty.
I've got 3 video dates scheduled back to back.
Okay, show off.
No, not really. I've never been on a digital date before. I don't know what I'm doing.
Just treat it like a real life date, I guess. You know, people seem to be really enjoying them as well.
Okay, and is this a good setup? I've got this right.
You know what? I don't think you should have the bed in the back like that, man. Sends out the wrong message.
Okay, I'm definitely moving into the living room. Okay.
Trying to look like a slut.
Wasn't
Vinny.
my intention.
Vinny, we've spoken about this. It's just wrong, man. It's wrong.
Ya sen ne bileyim amına koyayım bizim moralimizi bozuyorsun ya. Böyle arkadaşın amına
find a
koyayım.
spot where the natural light is
Yok,
hitting
delikanlı
your
adam.
face, kind of like it's hitting mine and making me look so goddamn beautiful.
Chat bunları kaydedin.
And also, what you want is eye level. Set the camera to eye level, bro. Not low angle or high angle. They are.
Kamera göz hizasında. Tamam.
Okay, I think this is a good spot.
Let's get that fireplace looking nice in the back.
Okay, maybe have a couple more things.
I really am so handsome.
Oh yeah, okay, I've got like a trophy from when I was a kid.
İyi ben de yayıncılık ödüllerini koyarım
show
arkaya.
that you're a winner.
Yeah, and culture maybe.
Eyfel.
Okay. Okay, I think we're ready.
Hadi amına koyayım ya.
Should I drink?
It is your call entirely, mate.
The worst
Kürşat
thing
ben mi seçeceğim bunu?
drinking.
Bir al. İçkisiz.
Aynen
Söyle.
yani görüşmeye nasıl başlayacağını sor.
Abi bira amba... Viski yok mu amına koyayım bira? Al sikeyim bira al be. Bir tane bira.
I need some beers.
Bir tane bira alalım bakalım ne olacak.
Go on.
Ben seçiyorum kararları evet.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ben diyorum abi en son bununla baş başa
Okay,
kaldım.
wish me luck, yeah?
I hope it goes terribly.
Honestly, you are the bestest friend.
Ya usta abla getir bize abla. Sikeceğim şimdi hadi kapat.
To smash this date, yeah? And you jump on all confident like, and you say her first name straight away. Straight away, straight in, smiling. Show them all your teeth.
Okay. Oh no.
Show them all the teeth.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I think the first one's about to
Aa
start.
başlıyor chat.
Hey, go well, lad.
Okay.
Sağ ol amcaoğlu.
Alright, cool. Listen,
Guys, look.
I'll debrief you after. I'll let you know how it goes.
Peace, boy.
Alright, peace. I'm gonna click on this. Okay, bye.
Cool.
Merhaba. Ben mi konuş? Katıl. Bu amcık var ben konuşmuyorum. Ha ben bunu tamam. Ne oldu kız ekti galiba bizi amına koyayım.
Hello. Hi.
Sorry, I needed to pee.
Ya senin
Oh my god, I can't argue with that then. That's fine. That's what you need to do.
Okay. Cheers. How are
o
you?
da içi bu da alkolik.
I'm good, thank you very much. I think I can slightly detect an accent. Am I
Trakyalıyım.
correct?
You're very observant.
bana değil.
Yeah. Where do you think I'm from?
I've actually heard a few footballers interview that sound a little bit
Ah.
like you.
Yeah, footballers from my country are very
İspanyol bu.
good. The best in the
İspanyol
world,
değilse beni sikin.
personally.
İspanyol futbol aynen. Country falan ay İspanyol. Şey konuşuyor amına koyayım be. İspanyolca Alex konuşuyor. Portekizce
That
yakın.
has to be a Spanish accent, surely.
Muy bien. Very
Yes?
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bildik
I'm
bildik.
very impressed. How do you know?
I think I don't know, probably just a good ear for these kind of things.
Tahmin ettik
Come
ya.
on.
Ta-
No.
Tahmin.
It was a lucky guess, right?
Yo,
Don't
ta-
up to it.
Tahmin.
I would love to tell you that I'm really knowledgeable and cultured and everything, but I just got lucky this time. But I did fancy my chances, so.
That's a
Bizimki de
good
tamam
thing. Lady
çıktı.
Luck is your friend. Honesty as well, another really good thing. So.
And hopefully Lady Luck works out in this scenario too.
Well,
so
we'll see, won't we?
So how's lockdown been treating you?
Another lockdown question, so boring.
Okay, no, we don't have to talk about it if you.
I'm
heard that
kidding.
one as-
It's fine. I've been keeping really busy. I'm a language teaching assistant, so
Oh wow, nice. What languages? Spanish, obviously.
yes, Spanish and then Italian and French as well. So I've been doing online classes with my students and then some private
Oğlum ben
classes.
kıza aşık oldum lan harbiden chat.
It's my side hustle.
Çok sempatik.
Wow, that's awesome. That's pretty cool.
The good thing about languages is no matter how hungover you are, you never forget them.
Bu alkolik amına koyayım
That's
ya.
fair. And I noticed that there was some other interests in your profile.
Yeah, which ones in particular?
Okay, they all grabbed my attention.
If I had to pick one thing about the amazing things about you,
Müziği merak ettik.
Sure,
Right,
yes,
I get
that's
it,
exactly
I
what
get
I
it.
meant. That was underneath. Okay, it's got to be music, right?
oh, adios mio. Music is everything in my life. I'm always listening to something.
Nice.
Can I send you a song?
Oh yeah, go.
Yeah? Okay, I think I can send them through the app. Hang on.
Yeah, cool. If you send it your own, and I'll just click it on mine.
Okay. Okay.
Let me know when it's sent.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
This is my favorite song at the moment.
Okay, cool.
Ay seni
I
yerim
just
ben.
think it's so like fun. It like it makes me think of beach parties, you know? What do you think?
This is your favorite, yeah? Yeah, no, listen, I'd be on the beach dancing with you. Seriously, this is cool. I like this.
Yay! Oh, great. Mojitos on you, no?
On me. So I have to buy the drinks, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, no, that's
I
a fair
think
play
so.
for showing me some
Yeah.
good music. This is kind of like a little dancing day. I like it. This is a good song.
You great taste, Vinny. You great taste.
This is great.
Okay, tell me, Vinny, what do you like?
Ooh, okay, what
Arabesk.
have I listened to recently?
Abi yok
If
ki
I had
arabesk.
to name one genre.
Pop dinliyoruz abi.
It'd probably be...
You must know.
Okay, look, you can't go wrong with pop.
Pop. That's your favorite music. All
Pop,
the music
yeah.
you like pop. But
Yes.
come on, man.
Ne var bağının amcı? Ne var? Pop deme takalım.
No, I mean, I don't really listen to that type of music. But
Okay, I bet...
Bu
you
Ben Ferrucci amına koyayım,
some
belli.
stuff that you'll like, if I showed you some.
I've tried, but it's just not my thing.
You have?
Sorry. I get a bit aggressive when I'm passionate about something.
Passionate.
What?
Is passionate, you said passionated?
Oh, shit. Mierda. Sorry, it's the wine. You can always correct me when my English is bad, please.
No, listen, I promise you it's perfect. It's better than mine.
Okay, well, it's definitely not, is it? But I have a question for you, Vinny.
Okay, go on. I'm all ears.
Would you call
Bir numaralı
yourself
kankim abone oldu.
introverted?
Türker bir kişi aylık abonelik teşekkürler. Soruyu kaçırdım.
I said that right, yeah?
Okay.
İçe dönük müyüz dışa dönük müyüz?
This is a big question.
Ben içe dönüyüm ya.
You have a think, I have a drink.
I have to admit that I
Vanilayı çıkar, vanilayı çıkar.
company a lot of the time.
Oh, little loner, huh?
Yeah, you can say that.
It's okay. I usually go for extroverted guys myself.
Ama sen de
Okay, that's good to know. That's your okay. Sure, okay, I'll note that down and
ne oldu? Karının internet paketi bitti amına koyayım. Yok. İnternetimiz bok gibi. Ha. Endişeye gerek yok, buradayız.
Sorry.
no worries, it's fine. So, how long have you been here, Maya?
Buraya gelene
Like
kadar
2
oldu.
years. I was traveling around Europe with my ex, and then we just got to London. We decided to settle here. So,
Wow, that's a big step.
well, we were together since we were teenagers. So, we're still friends. We're very close. He lives in
Abi nasıl eski sevgilisiyle arkadaş böyle şey mi olur ya?
What was it? Was it a recent breakup?
Yeah, it was about a week ago.
Oo!
I'm joking. It was like a year
Şey bir
ago.
amına koyayım ya. Şey yapma. Aynıyız agayla tepkilerimiz aynı.
That's quite soon after you got here, though.
Yeah, well, you know, it's different when you're traveling. It's just like fun, and we got to London. It was like the real world, you know. It just was too much. It was too much for us.
Yeah, yeah. And
Chat'e bakalım
you've
arkadaşlar.
been single since?
Yes, I have. But you know, I'm hoping to find my London boy on the app.
Oh,
Londralı
you're
erkeğim
into
oğlum.
London guys, yeah?
Maybe. Anyway, I just feel like London people need to smile more, right? It's like you get on the bus or the train and like everyone just looks miserable.
Trust me, it's the weather.
Don't even talk to me about the weather in this country. Talk about something else. It's like, no.
Okay.
Abi profilimi neresini beğendin diye soralım chat.
Talk about certain things.
Really?
Just.
I'm mystifying you, okay?
Yes, somewhat.
Ask me anything.
I'd really like to know what interested you about me.
Oh, your interests. Your interests are totally my vibe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like, okay, that's
I was
that's
just
a good
like,
reason, I reckon.
dig.
Tavlayacağız
that's the
bunu.
same as
You
me,
saw and you were
so-
like, oh, okay, it ticked all the boxes, yeah?
Tavlayacağız
All
ben
the
de.
boxes,
Or
okay.
some,
I don't
okay,
know
some.
about that, but
Some of the boxes.
I knew we'd get on, kind of thing.
I think so as well. I think we have done. I hope we
Yeah,
have.
maybe.
Yeah. Some. Okay.
What about you? What interests you about me?
A few reasons actually. But if I had to pick one thing that's
Profil fotoğrafı. Direkt profilden beğendik.
Nervous.
Profil fotoğrafı.
I'd have to say your profile picture.
Adamsın.
You thought I was hot.
Aynen.
Oh my god, you're such a typical.
Ne amına koyayım ya?
Ooh, what's that supposed to mean?
You know what it means.
Kabullen ya. Ne arkadaşlık sitesindeyiz abi. Kabullen.
Ah, gosh. Yeah.
Evet.
Guilty.
Yürü,
as charged.
adamsın lan.
Yep.
Adamsın
It's
lan.
fine. I mean, I guess the physical attraction does have to be there anyways.
Herhalde canım.
Yeah, I mean that.
Amına
again,
koyayım,
this
niye
is just
beğeneceğim
an
başka türlü?
initial- That's just what made me go, oh, okay,
Right.
cool.
You were like,
Arkadaşlık
"You're
uygulamasındayız
the
abi, delikanlıyız."
best person I've ever seen, so I have to
And I
even
was like, yeah,
try.
I'm in all day.
Evet konuş amına koyayım seni.
Okay. How's this online digital dating thing going for you? Have you enjoyed it?
It's okay. I mean, I love going out and meeting people, but like, it's a close second.
That must be pretty weird. I bet you're excited to just jump back out and get into the real world again.
Yeah, kind of, but like,
S'ye mi basayım? S'ye basınca ne oluyor? Kürşat.
Ben bilmiyorum.
Kürşat nerede? Bir deneyelim. Deneme yanında
I think it's
yürütelim.
actually been good for
Yok bir şey olmadı.
me to like weed out the bad ones.
Troll
So
yapıyorlar.
when I do, it's like, you know.
Nice, nice.
Dur abi şunu tavlamamız lazım ya.
Oi, Maya, I finally scored some weed.
Oh, really?
I managed to find the only dealer.
Karantinada çalışan torbacıyı buldum. Hadi gel ateşleyelim. Gel.
Hope it's going well with Tom.
Karı müptezel çıktı. Tom kim lan abi? Hayırdır lan?
um,
Tom. Okay, I didn't realize that I was Tom's closing act.
no. Hey,
No,
Bırak.
it's cool. I get it. It's fine.
come on now.
It's just
Ya bırak şunu ya.
name, right?
Ayrıl şundan. Çık.
At least.
Tamam bırak istemiyoruz bunu.
Sorry.
Maya, I'm smoking this entire bag if you don't come now.
I'm coming.
Ya bırak şunu.
Sorry.
Tamam hadi bay bay.
You gotta go.
I do.
Aynen.
No, it's fine.
Abi bizimki de tekerlek gibi ya.
Yeah, you too.
Okay. Bye.
Bay bay. Hadi.
Bye.
Yok abi bundan sana bir saçma sapan hareket yapma ya. Gel diğerini aç. Diğerinde iş var. Sen aç. Aç ben bağlayacağım sana aç. Aç. Bu değil. Bundan sonrakini yapacağız. Tamam mı? Sakin ol. Her şey kontrolüm altında. Kedi kesen abla geliyor. Bizimkinin morali bozuldu ama. Oo böyle fotoğrafta kötüydü ama böyle güzel.
Vinny,
Çok sempatik.
I'm so glad you're still there.
Burnunda sümük mü var onun? Yok, ızma.
It's fine.
Yeah, sorry. I was just doing yoga and I like completely zoned out.
Yoga yapıyormuş.
Do you mind if I just tidy this up for once? I'll be really quick.
No, please, go ahead.
Thank you so much.
I have to wait.
Tell you what I'm gonna do. Just gonna light
Elektrik
some
alamadım.
because there is some very
Bu deli oğlum, bunlar deli oluyor, tütsü mütsü böyle tabi.
Right.
Bak tütsü yakıyor bak.
Nice.
Okay. I'm with you.
I think it's pretty cool that you're keeping active during lockdown.
Oh my gosh, it's like the only way I could keep my equilibrium. Have you been like keeping active or
Yok.
doing any exercise?
Yok yapmıyoruz.
During lockdown at all?
Like what? Just walking or?
Yapmıyoruz ya. Yani koşu bandı aldık da yeni aldık yani.
Keeping active. Keeping limber.
If I'm honest, I haven't actually.
Evet biz
No,
yapmıyoruz.
how come?
To be totally frank with you,
You better.
Tembeliz abi. Tembeliz.
I do have a tiny excuse.
Just a small one.
Exercise has just never been my thing.
Evet.
Hey, maybe you just haven't found the right thing.
Ama bu abla da biraz sempatik gibi değil mi?
That you're about to sell me yoga.
Isn't that obvious?
Ya bakışlar şeyla ya. Gözler kayıyor, o tatlılık vermiş ona.
I do a
Baksana baba.
and you can do it with me.
I knew you were gonna ask me this. Go on.
Değil mi chat? İş yapar.
Okay. Are you ready? Just like copy what I'm doing.
Okay, I need to stand up as well, yeah?
Yoga mı yapacağız?
Okay, can you see me?
Yeah, can you see me?
Yeah, I can.
Oğlum bizimki
Okay. So, this is the revolved chair pose. It builds strength in your quadriceps and your outer thigh, and it's like really good for fear.
Yok abla ben yapamam. Sen yap. Sen amcık sana tavlıyoruz kanka.
Oh my god. Honestly, I don't think my spine has ever moved like this before in my life. Okay, I can't hold this anymore. I have to stop.
Well, good effort.
I tried. Jesus, how do you hold that?
That's why you gotta do it every day.
My legs were hurting. My ear was hurting.
Your ear!
Everything was in pain.
Well, listen, thank you for breaking the ice, Saffron.
It's my specialty.
So,
Abi ben bu hanımefendiden bir
living.
alamadım ya.
Not breaking the ice.
Elektrik.
I'm a project manager for an animal welfare charity.
Ya bir ömür geçmez yani.
I've actually
Çok
been a
hareketli
vegan
birisi
for
ya.
about 10 years. Do you mind if I ask what you eat?
Et yeriz.
Not at all. It's a very important.
Et yeriz abi.
Pretty much every
Bu et de mi yemiyor bu?
relationship.
Kendisi vejeteryan herhalde. Mustafa Ak mı bu ya?
You might not like it.
Allah Mustafa Ak.
You're a monster, you know that.
Ne?
Are you serious?
I'm kidding. It's totally fine. I don't mind if
God.
you're a monster.
So you don't have a problem with meat eaters then, yeah?
Nah, not really. I mean, so long as the people around me don't eat
Ne
it,
istersem yerim ya.
just out of respect.
Ne
yeah.
isterseniz yeriz abi.
I don't think that's too much to ask, really, is it?
Biz yeriz.
that would be
Delikanlı ol.
healthy.
Evet.
Oh, really?
Well, it just kind of means
Adam,
I can't be
adam.
myself, and I don't think that that's healthy, really.
Well, it's a good thing we didn't start off with a dinner date.
Olmadı.
I'm on this app to find like-minded people, or at least someone open-minded enough to sort of embrace my wavelength. Do you think you are?
Yok. Hayır. Tamam hayır
Well, it
değiştir.
seems a bit pointless to proceed if like you aren't. We'll just be like clashing the whole time.
Sürekli anlaşılıyor.
Not
Ben bunu
really
gerçekten
down for that.
istemiyorum.
I understand that. And
Abi. Hayır diyoruz değil mi? Red Mami merhaba bebişim, ne yapıyorsun? İyiyim abi, sen ne yapıyorsun?
yeah, I think we might be miles apart.
Evet adamsın lan sen.
Okay.
Bak nasıl bozuldu bak. Rengi kaçtı, aferin.
Well, it was lovely to meet you.
Tamam çık.
anyway.
Çek
And
biz sonuncusunu da yapacağız o işi.
have a good rest of
Git
lockdown.
git şuradaki yeşillikleri kemir.
Yeah,
Git.
listen, you
Öte
too.
dur.
Have a good luck.
Şu yeşillikleri ye. Hadi uza. Aferin. Bırak oğlum, niye üzülüyorsun, ayarlayacağım. Sonuncusu bende. İpneyim ayarlaması. Aç. Oğlum bu da
Adam,
duygusal
adam.
bir topluluk var bizim arkada. Bu böyle olmaz bu işler. Aç bak. Oğlum bak golü nasıl atıyoruz şimdi. İyi izle. Seko 61 kolay gelsin Ataberk. Sağ ol Seko, hoş geldin. Ah
Oh,
siktir.
hi, Paige. Hey, I'm Vinny. Sorry, you weren't waiting long, were you?
A little bit, but it was
Özür
my
dile.
fault.
Özür dile.
I was actually just on here like filming a live vlog.
Bu YouTuber.
so I
Evet,
was
vlog
just
çekiyormuş.
when I finished.
Oh, what like a lockdown vlog?
Yeah.
You know, I've seen so many people doing that on social media. Are you okay? Sorry, I didn't say anything, did I?
Oğlum bu da deli galiba ya.
Yeah, I'm fine. I was just noticing how you actually do look exactly like your profile pic.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's quite rare these days.
I don't know. I figured a solo picture would work well if I could only
Oldu.
pick one, so that's the one I went with.
Well, it was a really good choice. Good lighting.
Can't really take credit for that one.
So, I know that guys also lie about their height on these apps.
Okay, don't worry. I am actually 5'9".
Okay, the 5'8" side of 5'9" or the 5'10" side?
I think I'd say I'm a solid 5'9". And that's how tall you are as well, aren't you?
Yeah, I was just double checking.
Okay, cool.
Yok. Golü atacağım.
So, your outfit's really cool. Have you just done
Ya
like, a
girdim
workout
daha
or
yeni
Oh,
antrenman.
no. This is gym / loungewear. I literally haven't been wearing anything else in the whole of lockdown. And I've got loads of it because I'm an ambassador. Of
Oo,
So
sponsor.
you're like a personal trainer. That's cool.
Oh, no.
YouTuber ya.
I'm an influencer.
Okay, influencer. Wow. Like on social media.
Yeah. I started off as a model.
Meraklıyız.
And then naturally just
Abla fenomen, sen burada ne işin var senin ya? Tövbe ya.
I honestly can say that this is probably the first time I've ever met an influencer.
Really?
Yeah, no. And I listen, I want to learn more about influencers, influencing, and
Bak,
that's what
görme,
it's
seni
called
de-
in social media.
Yeah.
I mean, what's it like to work in? What's your day-to-day like?
Do you know what? Every time that I answer this, people just draw their own conclusions.
I promise you, I'm genuinely interested, okay? And I can still judge you if it's a DOS.
It is definitely not a DOS. It is a full-time job. Like, let me tell you, I have to make and stockpile content, manage interaction.
Oğlum biliyoruz bunları. Niye kafa sallıyorsun? Amına koydum bu
I'm
sarı.
really lucky to be doing it because, you know, I'm earning a living off of it as well, and it's all right. It's a good job.
Of course, my goodness. It's brand marketing in the most visible way possible. I think it's actually really cool.
That's exactly it. You've got it. I'm going to change the subject, if you don't mind. You know, I just feel like when I'm talking about my work stuff, it's a bit shit chat, really.
Of course. We wouldn't want that. I'm happy to change the topic of conversation.
So if we weren't in lockdown, where would you take me on a first date?
Ooh, I really don't want to get this wrong. I hope that I pick something that
Meyhaneye giderdik.
you'd like.
Meyhane.
Spit it out, mate. Come on.
Meyhane.
Okay. Personally, I think that the best way to get to know someone is by going for a drink on the first date. I mean, call me old-fashioned, but yeah, we'd go somewhere,
Okay.
have a drink.
I mean, I'm not really a pub girl.
Yes.
But
No?
no. But you know what? We could go to a bar.
Okay.
That would be
Yeah.
nice. On a rooftop.
Okay, specifically on a rooftop. Yeah.
We'd have to have a beautiful sunset happening at the same time. And of course, good music.
This is all so
Olacak.
specific.
Sakin
Yeah,
olun
very
oğlum. Dur
specific. You
ayarlayacağım.
know what? I'm not the hugest drinker, so I'd be a cheap date. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe
Beni-
two and then you're done, and
Beni
that's your thing.
Ben
You
ederim.
can get by.
I like to be healthy, you know?
Well, listen, even if you weren't a cheap date, I wouldn't mind paying your way on the first one.
Oh, that's really chivalrous of you.
It's all right.
But you know what? I actually don't mind going Dutch. I'm a modern day girl.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah, of course.
I mean, genuinely.
Kabul. Tamam bırak.
1 iota, like I'd be happy to pay your way.
Do you know what? You just offering is like lovely.
Okay. Fair enough. Well, listen, I can accept that.
Yes, you know, it's a modern day world. I'm making my money. You know.
So there is quite a lot I've been wondering.
Go.
Do you usually use dating apps?
Do you know what? No, not really. But I've just been using it as a lockdown boredom cure. Really? Yeah. What about you?
The main reason will probably be.
Bir ilişki arıyorduk biz. Biz bir ilişki sizin gibi güzel bir hanımefendiyle bir ilişki evet. Sıkacağız.
I don't want to come across too forward. I just really want to find someone who's on the same wavelength as me.
Oh, okay. You actually know what you want.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. I think I do. Yeah.
Wow. That's actually pretty rare to find in a guy, you know, our age.
Same
when
for
I
you.
think about me and sorry to cut you off,
No,
me
it's
and my life, like I don't even know what's best. I have got a lot to consider.
Okay. Just because of like work and stuff.
I've just got a lot to juggle.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
So it sounds like you've actually been all on your lonesome during this lockdown.
Ya sen de
Is that
he.
right?
Yep, you are correct.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Lost your marbles yet?
Yok. iyiyiz.
Oh,
We are fine.
long ago. I mean, no one deserves to be cooped up in this flat for this long.
Oh, yeah. I feel your pain. We've been locked up for a while too.
Do you know what? I think it would be quite a nice idea to see each other's flats.
Like a tour?
I assume it's been so long
Yeni'nin
since you've seen
dairesinde.
someone
Bizim
else.
dairede gezinti yapalım chat.
Someone else's place and what feels like.
Bizim dairede.
Feels like it's been 10 years.
Well, listen, I could give you a tour of my abode if you.
Bizim evde bir gezinti yapalım.
You know what? I am actually, because it would be refreshing to see someone else's prison.
Great. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Hadi göster
Stay
bakalım.
around.
Let's do it.
Okay, go first. All right. Cool. Yeah, this is sort of my main chill space, if you will, and
Kitap
Okay.
okuyor bize.
trophies because I think I was a winner at some point in life. Again, nothing to write home about, but it's my home.
And see that, you know, the decor is a bit, ooh, and I think you probably could have done with my help choosing the furniture, right?
That is savage.
What's going on there?
You don't like the sofa?
I'm just being
Abi-
real, like,
Do you actually think it's that shabby?
I'm sorry, I know I'm being very honest.
Bırak arsıza
I
bağla.
mean, I don't really think you'd be saying that if you were here.
And what?
Because this is one of the comfiest sofas ever. This
Aynen.
is great. This is great for napping and it's good for cuddling as well and spooning.
You need to steady on, alright?
Oh, no, I forgot.
Oğlum bu da abi biz öyle demedik ki. Biz uzanmak için rahat dedik. Burada olsa... Abi yanlış anladı. Abi yanlış anladı.
It's not good for ab
Oh my
crunches,
God.
so it doesn't actually cater to your needs.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Stop it! You've got me all wrong.
Maybe we should move on and I should show you something different. Maybe I'll show you my kitchen. Oh wait, you've got to see my kitchen.
Okay, yeah, oh, that's an important one for me.
Bu oyun mu? Yok moruk gerçekten bunların ikisi karşılaştı ben yönlendiriyorum. Ben karar vereceğim sevgili olup olmadıklarına.
Okay. So yeah, this is my kitchen, and I've nearly burnt it down a few times.
Yeah, I mean, it could do with a bit of a tidy.
Ya sen de ne dedi?
I
Bekar evi işte ne olsun?
Cook something there.
Yeah.
Um,
It's good.
Geliyor abla geliyor.
yeah, but show us what we all want to see then.
Ne istiyor?
What's in the fridge?
Fridge. You want to see the fridge? I mean, you've kind of caught me
Aç
on good
bakalım
legs.
buzdolabı.
Just did a bit of a weekly shop.
Okay, so what's it filled with? Would you say you eat clean or?
This is always a good question.
Vallahi düzgün çok beslenmeyiz ama beslenebiliriz yani. Şu an beslenmiyoruz.
Okay, I have to be honest. This thing is usually filled with microwave meals,
Oh,
maybe takeaways.
Really?
Not really. I don't really watch my diet that much. I kinda just eat what I want.
Skeli
to
YouTube
eat.
bu kadından hayır gelmez
If we
gibi
went
kral.
on a date
Ayarlayacağım.
with, like a burger.
Ben de skeli.
Fries.
If we were out in a food place, yeah, I would order the indulgent meal.
It's really important.
Bir
to
numaralı
me.
kankim.
Metin
I'd
abi
rather
geldi.
be happy or healthy.
Agamsu 20 kişiye birden aylık abonelik hediye etmiş. Teşekkürler Metin abi.
Okay, listen, let's move on. Let's go to the next place. I actually have a surprise for you.
Dur bakalım sürpriz yapacağız şimdi ablaya.
Yeah, cool. Right. Where do you think we're off to?
I don't know. It surprised me.
And last but not least, bedroom.
Yay.
It's my
Okay.
room.
Right. Okay. Is this where the magic happens?
Biz kendimizi
okay,
küçümseyelim.
during lockdown,
Küçümse kendini küçümse.
not so much.
I mean, yeah. Not for anyone in lockdown.
Pre-lockdown, probably also not so much. Just not a lot happening. I think it's probably they would say anti-magic as.
Oh my gosh, you're funny.
Aldık.
Yeah, maybe
Aldık.
wrap up-
Evlere şenlik. Kızımız var. Evet.
Wrap that
Oh my
up.
gosh. Okay, let's head back to the living room.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
Şimdi sen gezdir evi.
Okay, and that concludes our tour.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Evi göster.
Yeah, I'm not really sure if my decorating.
Yeah, you
interior
don't know what you're
is
doing,
like
do you?
that.
You need my help.
No.
Did
Abla
you get the furniture from like a jumble sale or?
Don't.
Oo! Chat! Bizim abi eşyalara ver dendi. Sokaktan mı topladın diyor. Hakareti sevmem. Adamın amına koyarım. Öyle bir şey yok. Gücümüz buraya yetti belki.
But this is good furniture.
Bu ablayla yalan olduk. %100 size dedim.
You know, this is good furniture.
Well, I hope this digital date has brought back your sanity a little bit.
Geldi
I
gibi.
think it's actually made things worse.
Oh, shut up. No, honestly, I have actually I really enjoyed it way more than I thought I would. So
Yeah.
thanks.
No, thank you. It's been,
Aldık.
it's been great. I've had a wicked time.
Bye.
Bye.
Whoa, quick answer.
Hey, mate, I've been on tenterhooks for this debrief, man.
You were just waiting in bed for me to call you, weren't you?
Bro, stop deflecting, man. Details.
So there was Maya, and man, she was a real life.
Abi Maya güzeldi aslında da Maya uyuşturucu bağımlısı orada kaybetti. Diğer kız kedi medi geziyordu ama sonuncusu olacak.
Wife from Spain.
From Spain. Ho. Hey, you gotta love the mamacitas. How'd it go? Bro, stop stalling.
Oh man, it wasn't very good. It just wasn't my finest hour, to be honest.
It's okay. Bro, that is cool, man. Look, listen, we all have days off, you know? It's alright. That's fine.
So Saffron, yeah. Where to start? She
Vejeteryan olan şey olan.
She had this
Çiçek böcek
super
yiyen.
cool hipster vibe.
Okay. And
Yok olmadı.
Do you know what, Callum? I don't know. I think that we were just on different we were on different planets, if I'm honest.
happens to the best of us.
Yeah, I don't know. It just wasn't working. It was tough.
It's okay, bro.
So Paige was this really tough model influencer type.
Right. How'd you manage?
Do you know what? I think...
Abi! Demesin şimdi ben Paige'i... Al! Abi aklıma bizim kanki demesin şimdi Paige'i şu Paige'i mi? Ben onu... Chat?
We had some pretty great chemistry.
Yeah. You're the man, Vin. You're the man. Usually it's me, but now it's you.
Oh, sorry, right. It's never you. You've never been the man. You never...
I've been the man since I was born.
Yeah. No, it was good. I'm glad. I think I definitely...
It's not Paige Lee, is it?
Ne? Onu tanıyor amına koyayım.
Who's that?
Bruv, she is big. Even I follow her for goodness.
Ananı sikeyim.
Okay, hold on. Let me check.
This guy is David.
Paige Lee. Okay, I'll check. Hold on.
Evet bu.
She had this many followers. Wow.
Bu. Benim daha çok takipçim var.
Tell me you didn't go on a video date with...
Ananı sikeyim, hayır. Ben bunun gerçeğini yaşadım.
I went on a video date with Paige Lee.
You're a prick. Get off, get off, get off. How do I hang this up? Get off. I don't want you. I don't
Do you
want
know
you.
what?
I don't want to talk to you. I don't
Oh,
talk.
bro.
Why are we talking?
Ne oldu orospu çocuğu?
Right now.
Do Lippers calling me? Do Lippers calling me? Sorry.
Well, just remember, mate, you've now got to tell the app which 2 girls that you liked so you can ask them out on the second date.
Do I? Oh, why does it work like that?
I don't know, to stop girls getting strung along and catching feelings.
Ne
Bro,
oldu?
no, I didn't make the app. Just answer.
I need to think on it. But listen, thank you for your help, and I'm gonna get some sleep, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Yeah.
No problem, bro. Have a good one, yeah?
See you later. Good night.
Şimdi beğendiklerimizi mi seçeceğiz? Paige'i, bir de Maya'yı beğendik. Paige ikinci randevuyu kabul etti. Maya'dan baş aldık herhalde. Evet, Maya baş dedi bize. Maya reddetti. Paige ile ikinci randevu bu akşam. İkinci randevular oyun randevularıdır. Oyun randevusu uymuş. Ama biz de bunu bir sonraki yayınımıza aktaracağız. Burada. Evet, oyundan çık deyince direkt kaydediyor mu?
Kaydediyorum ben.
Kaydetmesi gerekiyor, evet abi.
Tamam. Oyunumuzun birinci... Güzel oyun değil mi? Bakayım. Chat, oyunu beğendiniz mi? Bunu oynayacağız. Ne oldu? Devam mı edelim? Tamam, ünlem hepsi burada yazın. Chat'e şu hepsi burada çıkan linkleri indirin. Oo. Tamam, devam, tamam. Ben ne bileyim oğlum. Tamam.